guys, Katie here and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to go over the 6 healing sounds. So these are a set of Qigong breathwork or breathing exercises you can do to help release stored emotions from the body. So specifically different tissues of the body, different organs of the body like your liver, your spleen, your kidneys. So it's perfectly fine for all of us to experience emotions. It's when we start to experience these emotions in extreme or in excess, or when we really start to suppress these emotions, this is when it's going to start to cause harm to the body, and it can also start to cause blockages in our energy. And I think most of us have an understanding that emotions affect not only our mind, but our physical body. So if you are experiencing a lot of anger, you're not going to just feel that anger all up in your head. You feel it throughout your entire body. You just feel your whole body buzzing with that anger. If you experience that anger over a long period of time, you might notice after some time you start to experience maybe chronic headaches. Or perhaps you had a situation where you were really sad. You had experienced a lot of grief. You're going to feel that heaviness in your chest, and over time you might start to experience some respiratory issues. So you can see over time how that emotion can start to be stored and trapped in your body. So these 6 healing sounds send a vibration throughout the body to the organ in which the emotion is stored, and it will help to purge or release that emotion from the body. So this is something that you can do right before you do your Qigong workout, or you could do this right before you go to bed. It is something it is nice to do daily, just to really purge your body of any of those excess emotions, so that they're not storing in the body, causing any type of illness or causing any type of energy blockages. So you can either stand up or sit down during this breathing technique, whatever is comfortable for you. But before we begin, I just wanted to give you a quick explanation of what exactly we'll be doing. So like I said, different organs of the body store different emotions, and to release those emotions, we are going to make a healing sound that vibrates to that organ to release the emotion. So for example, the liver holds the emotion of anger. So to release that emotion, we are going to make the healing sound that sounds like shoo. When we make that sound, we are going to make it long and extended, so it really vibrates through the body to that organ. So it's going to sound more like shoo. So when we do that, like I said, it vibrates to that organ to help release the emotion. So as we breathe out, we are going to be breathing out that noise, that healing sound, really visualizing that anger releasing from the body. As we breathe in, we're going to breathe in that organ's healing color, which for the liver is green, and we're going to be breathing in its antidote, which is happiness and kindness. So you're going to be visualizing that green and visualizing that happiness and kindness coming into that organ. So we're going to do that for different organs, different sounds. So the most important thing is making the sound extended, really releasing that emotion from the body, bringing in the healing color, and also bringing in the antidote. And a quick disclaimer, you are going to feel a little silly when you're doing this, but these sounds are so healing. It's so good for your body. So push your ego aside and make the noises and do it with pride to really release and let your body heal. Let's go.
If you're standing, go ahead and stand with your feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent. Take a deep breath in, and you're going to place your hands over top of your liver. And we are going to release the emotion of anger. Breathing in a green healing light and kindness and generosity. Breathing back in that generosity and kindness, then moving our hands up to our heart to release the emotion of impatience and hate. Breathing in and visualizing the color red, also the emotion of love and joy being replaced back into your heart. Breathing in love and joy, and then moving your hands over to your spleen to release the emotion of worry. Breathing in, visualize the color of yellow and the emotions of trust and sincerity. Breathing in the trust and sincerity, and then moving your hands up to your lungs where we can release grief. Breathing in and visualizing the color of white and bringing in the emotion of courage. Breathing in courage and then moving your hands down to your lower dantian near your kidneys to release the emotion of fear. Breathing in and visualizing the color of dark blue and pulling in the emotion of peace and tranquility. Breathing back in that peace and tranquility, then moving your hands to above your head to work your triple warmer for the feeling and the emotion of panic. Breathing in the color purple and then washing over yourself with balance and light. And relax your hands by your side. Take one more deep breath and we're going to go ahead and just shake it out. So I want you to just let your arms go loose, your wrists go loose, and really let your body just shake out all those emotions, anything that is left over. With a gentle bounce in your knees, just turn from the torso, shaking everything out. Really envision letting everything go, letting those negative emotions go. Shake your hands above your head. Just do whatever feels comfortable to you. Just really just shaking it all out, letting it all go, releasing all of those emotions. I usually do this for about a minute, but you could do it even longer. So whatever feels right to you, take a deep breath in and place your hands on your lower dantian. I hope you guys found this video informative, and as always, like and subscribe if you want to hear more.